Can you guess what it is? Hey NailTubers, Nailification Squad, welcome to episode 7 and the finale of
The Masked Finger.
Today I'm using full coverage coffin nails by BT Art Box. And our very special masked guest for this finale is the Gem Picker tool. Gem Picker was lovingly constructed to scale and is filled with beautiful stones for that sparkle that we all love, just like in the life-sized one. The objective here is just like the TV show. You have to figure out what nail product the Gem Picker tool is hiding.
What are you? What are you? What are you? What are you?
Let me first explain the set. Today, I'm using this pink from the Kiss Gel collection. I originally was going to do white snowflakes, but then I found some stickers that I've had for a while and figured it would be a time saver. This will be a very, very simple set, not blinged out or anything. 3 of the nails will be a solid pink. I think it's so soft and appropriate to go with the snowflakes. One will be clear with snow falling, and the other, as you know, is what we will have to guess. This is an absolutely fun nail spin from the popular TV series of The Masked Singer, and to play along is pretty much the same. As we give you clues throughout this video, you have to guess what nail product is under the Gem Picker tool. Here is your first clue.
My life has had its rocky moments.
I feel you on that.
Now, I've explained in the previous video, this has been following the original TV program for which their season 4 is coming to an end, and the finale is tonight. So let me just thank all of you for enjoying this series. You have been so encouraging, and it's been so much fun for myself and my brother to bring it to you. And while I'm expressing our thanks, I just want to acknowledge 3 people. Krista Duggins. Hey, Krista. Omnia's Wish. Omnia. Gemini Fly. These 3 ladies I want to thank for guessing the Masked Finger during 3 different premieres, all in that order. So does anyone have this figured out yet? Well, in that case, here is your second clue.
I try to maintain my composure so I don't have a meltdown.
Wow.
Although this is a pastel pink, I also see it as a complementary winter color, and it ended up suiting this frosty set just as I thought. Nothing elaborate, just pink with ice effects. Oh, and let me tell you what happened while I was doing this set. I don't have a clip because it spontaneously happened between recording. These aren't actually the nails I started out with. In between recording, I had the stand set off to the side for the polish to dry. Then I accidentally bumped it off the table, and there it went tumbling to the floor and all of the polish messed up. If I had the footage, I would have definitely included it, like a blooper. Well, we've reached our third and final clue.
Too much of me isn't good at all.
That's kind of scary.
What do you guys think of Gem Picker tool? Gem Picker tool, you're so adorable. Now that you have all of your clues, everyone, the time is close to see if you're right. But before we do, Gem Picker Tool, do you have any words for the viewers?
This is so bittersweet, and I hate for the series to come to an end. But I'm also truly honored to be the one in the finale of this series.
Aw, Gem Tool, you're so realistic and cute, but we're dying to know what you are.
Take it off. Take it off. Take it off. Take it off. The last mask, guys.
Yeah, it's the final. It's Nail Sugar. Nail Sugar, I know I haven't used you but once or twice because, like you said, too much of you is not good. Everyone, here is your final look at Nail Sugar together with its mask previously known as the Gem Picker Tool.